With this vehicle, call it kind of a restoration detail, would be the best way to describe it. So we're restoring the paint condition, the gloss, back to before it got all faded out and super dull. With that, it's not just cosmetic. We're going to be adding on some protection on top of it to help with the UV fading. Have the detailer do an inspection on top of just a mechanical inspection before you even buy the car, so that you know beforehand what you're getting into. Just from pictures or having a mechanic or sales guy talk to you about a car usually doesn't tell you the whole story. If you do that scanning right from kind of day one, you have the whole vehicle history, whether it's been in any kind of an accident, had any kind of a scratch,